cardiac muscle or cardiac tissue. The cardiac muscle is nothing but heart. So the heart is a unique muscle. Heart is one of the unique muscle. It is originated from the mesodermal. It is also originated from the mesodermal origin in embryonic development. The cardiac muscle is a unique muscle. It is only one muscle. It is the structurally and functionally it is different with another remaining all muscle. So you can compare with the remaining all muscle. If you take the cardia, nothing but heart muscle. If you are what is that? You can observe in the chick heart. What I'm saying? We are already daily. What is the scene in chick heart? What is that? These are heart compared with the remaining all heart. If you take the what is that muscle of chicken, you can split it. These are have a more number of the bristles. The bristles are formed in the chicken. You can take the smash it. The more number of the bristles are appear. But in the cardiac heart, there is an absence of muscle fibers. Absence of muscle fiber. It is only one unique muscle. It is only one unique. It is a never formation of. There is no what is that muscle fibers are there. There is absence of muscle fiber. It is a very strongest muscle. It is very strongest muscle comparing with the remaining all 640 muscles. This is one of the muscle, the normal muscle or skeletal muscle. This is a cardiac muscle. The normal muscle made up of a number of the muscle fibers. You can split it, smash it. The more number of the bristles are appear. But in the cardia there is no muscle fiber. And that's why it is a unique muscle. That's why it is a unique muscle. Yes. Note down. First one, cardiac muscle. It is one of the unique muscle in our body. It is one of the unique muscle in vertebrates. Unique muscle in vertebrates. Unique muscle in vertebrates. So these are originated from the mesodermal origin. Mesodermal origin. Your origin from mesodermal origin. These type of muscles are appear in myocardium region. These are not appear in the all parts of the body. This type of muscles are only appear. The myo means muscle, cardium means heart. This type of muscles are appear in heart region. These muscles are appear. These muscle cells. You can write muscle cell, not a muscle fiber. Muscle cells are appears in which one? Which region? Myocardium region. Myocardium. So this muscle is a very strongest muscle in our body. It is a very strongest, not a largest. It is a very strongest muscle in our body. Which one? Cardiac muscle is a very strongest muscle. Very strongest muscle in our body. Strongest muscle in our body. It is a short. This muscle is very short and cylinder-like structure. Very short. Very, very important. I am very easy to simplify of this question. Short and cylindrical like structure. Cylinder like a structure. Let's see the diagram. So this is a cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle consists of one or two nucleus. These are ovoid nucleus. One or two ovoid nucleus. This is known as a gap junction. Gap junction. Okay, please. So these are absence of muscle fiber. Note down. These are absence of muscle fiber. Absence of muscle fiber. Which one? Cardiac muscle. Absence of muscle fibers. Clear. So these have a one or two nucleus. One or two nucleus, one or two nucleus. The myocardial cells are connected with the remaining all cells. The myocardial cells are connected with the near of the cells through the one of the junction. The myocardial cells are connected with the near of the another cell through the one of the junction. The junction is called as a gap junction. What is the gap junction? The connection in between of two myocardial cells. That is known as gap junction. That is a gap junction is present. The gap junction is nothing but the connection in between of two myocardial cells. The connection in between of two cardiac cells. That is known as a gap junction. The connection in between of two myocardial cells is known as a gap junction. The gap junction is majorly useful for rapid contraction and passing of impulse. Passing through the impulse. Passing through the impulse. So these are absence of which one? The cardiac muscle is absence of nerves. So these are not a neurogenic heart. Why? Because these are absence of the nerves. So it is a absence of the heart, absence of nerves. So this type of heart is called it is not a neurogenic heart, it is a myogenic heart. So the heart is, what is the major function? It is a generate the impulse. It is generate the impulse. The generate the impulse. The impulse are generated by the one of the specific specialized organ. That organ is known as a pacemaker. The what is that? The impulse are generated by a specialized organ. Specialized region or organ is known as pacemaker. This pacemaker useful for the generate the impulse for the contraction of the muscle, for the generation of the impulse all through the heart, and contraction occurs. What is the impulse are generated by the specialized organs known as a pacemaker. It is generated the impulse all through the heart. So that is known as a pacemaker. So these are have a very less dark bonds, very less dark and white bonds, very less of dark and white bonds, dark and whitening bonds or whitening filaments or whitening protein bonds. For very less dark and whitening bonds for the muscle contraction. Next one, the cardiac muscles are never shown fatigue. Why? Because the cardiac muscles are never shown fatigue. Why? Because these are always passing the oxygenized blood, that's called oxyhemoglobin. So there is no lacking of the oxygen level in their cardiac muscle region. So these are never shown fatigue. So the cardiac muscle, this muscle are, you can write cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscles are never shown fatigue. Never shown is fatigue. Why? Because the oxyhemoglobin always passing through the heart. Oxyhemoglobin always passing through the heart. So these oxygen was utilizing for their metabolic activity. So there is no problem at all. So this is known as a next one. Passing through the heart. So these are never shown the fatigue. Next one. These axis, what is that? Cardiac muscle, the increasing of their acceleration, acceleration, nothing but what is the cardiac contraction. Epinephrine and adrenaline hormones increasing what is that? There, acceleration of cardiac movement. And nothing but the acceleration of the heartbeat by epinephrine and adrenaline hormone. So this is the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is one of the unique muscle in vertebrates. So it is a specialized organ. It is compared with the remaining all muscle. It is one of the specialized and strongest muscle in our body. It is originated from the mesodermal origin. These muscles appears in the myocardium region, nothing but the heart region. It is never appears in the any part of the body. It is only appears in the myocardium region. These are the very strongest muscle in our body. The short and cylinder-like structure. These are absence of muscle fibers. These are containing 1 or 2 nucleus are there, and very, very important, and very rich amount of the mitochondria. Rich amount of mitochondria. Very rich amount of the mitochondria are there in the cardiac muscle. There is a gap junction is there. There is the passing through the impulse in between of 2 myocardial cells, that is known as the junction. Through the junction is called as the gap junction. It is passing the impulse. So the rapid contraction by passing through the impulse. Next one, the absence of nerves. There is absence of this. It is not a neurogenic heart. So it is an absence of nerves. It is a myogenic heart, means it is made up of muscle. It is not a neurogenic heart. The neurogenic heart appears in invertebrates, not a vertebrates, invertebrates, such as Arthropoda, Annelida, and Mollusca, some Echinodermata. So these individuals are shown what is a neurogenic heart. So specialized characteristic feature of the vertebrate, it is a myogenic heart. Nothing but it is made up of the myocardial cells. So these impulses are generated by one of the specialized area. This region is known as a pacemaker. It is located in the right of the atrium region. It is known as a pacemaker. It is a very dark and very less of the dark and whitening bonds for the muscle contraction. The cardiac muscle is never shown fatigue. We know that what is the fatigue? You know that. So never shown the fatigue. Why? Because these are a huge amount of, there is no accumulation of the what is that, lactic acid. A huge amount of the hemoglobin was there in oxyhemoglobin passing through their heart. They are utilizing some amount of the oxygen from their what is the circulation. So there is no shown any kind of fatigue. And these are acceleration of the heartbeat, nothing but the BP, blood pressure control, what is accelerated by epinephrine and adrenaline glands. So this is the complete detailed information about the cardiac muscle. Next one, what is that? Importance of muscles. What is the function and importance of the muscle?